Why is synthetic oil better for my car? AMSOIL synthetic motor oil engineered for enthusiasts seeking maximum protection and performance. Precision formulated with cutting-edge technology and a long-standing devotion to making the world's best motor oil. The result: engine protection that blows the doors off the highest industry standards. AMSOIL fights wear with 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear. AMSOIL fights viscosity breakdown better than the competition, providing superior protection of pistons, cams, and bearings. AMSOIL delivers powerful protection. How good is it? An independent lab compared AMSOIL synthetic motor oil head-to-head against a leading competitor in a 100,000-mile test. AMSOIL provided far superior wear protection and kept bearings looking like new. AMSOIL synthetic motor oils achieved 100% protection against LSPI. Signature Series is barely challenged by the industry standard testing, demonstrating only a 0.1% viscosity increase. Even when the test length is doubled, AMSOIL delivered twice the viscosity control required by the standard. Signature Series is fortified with a heavy treatment of detergent additives, delivering 28% more acid neutralizing power than Mobil 1 and helping engines stay cleaner and longer. Protects turbochargers 72% better than required by the GM Dexos 1 Gen 2 specification. Signature Series has 50% more detergents to help keep oil passages clean and promote oil circulation. It provides 90% better protection against sludge. AMSOIL Signature Series is fortified with a heavy treatment of detergent additive and it delivers 30% more acid neutralizing power than Mobil 1, and 36% more than Royal Purple, helping engines to stay cleaner and longer. AMSOIL fights volatility 38% better than Mobil 1 and 17% better than Royal Purple, helping reduce oil consumption and keep valves clean. Even after doubling the length of the industry standard test, AMSOIL delivered 40% cleaner pistons than required by the standard. Dedicated engine builders and mechanics put in long hours honing their craft. These architects of powerful, high-performance engines turn to Signature Series to protect their passion. Save on AMSOIL synthetic oil at syntheticoilpros.com.